again. It's a rhinestone.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So I've not got a lot of time on my hands, so I thought I'll do a quick little. I've got quite a few bits from Amazon, a couple of bits from AliExpress, and a few PR items. So I thought I'd just show you, go through it. Some of it I need to put away, some of it I want to swatch and do a video on. So yeah, shall we all have a nosy at what I got? I'll start first with AliExpress because it's only a couple of bits from AliExpress. I desperately needed some butterfly stickers, and these are perfect. Every colour I'm ever going to need, and they're quite small. They're not huge, are they? Which I really like. All different blues, loads on there as well, isn't there? I will leave links to everything in my description box. Anything from Amazon will be in my Amazon store. Yeah, and anything from AliExpress, they'll all be in my description box anyway. Yeah, I like them. And then we've got like pinky, purpley. I really like these ones. I do, I like them all, but I do particularly like these ones. And again, they're small, aren't they? Look at these little tiny ones. Loads on there. These were really cheap as well. And then these are like rainbow colours. We've got teeny weeny ones in the middle. Yeah, these are going to be beautiful over summer, aren't they? And then this one's got some whitish kind of ones. I really like them. Yeah, lots of different colours there. And I like that they're a lot smaller than I thought they were. I really like that. So they were off AliExpress. And then I got myself a little pack of rings. I have got hundreds, I'm not exaggerating either, hundreds of rings. But I don't really have any like pinky, any with like pinky gems, maybe one or two. And I really want, oh sugar, I really wanted one of these. I've wanted one of these pink yin and yangs for ages. That's cute, isn't it? It's a little bit big for me. I like it. And then it's got this one that says, it says Angel. That's cute as well. Yeah, they're a little bit big for me, but they're for my practice hands, so. And this one's got a little, oh, you can't see, can you? Better off if I put them on, aren't I? This one's got a little pink love heart and a little transparent love heart. And this has got a big love heart. Keep dropping them. That one's got a big love heart. Yeah, they're a bit big for me. That's like a love heart as well with transparent stars around it. Cute. Another love heart. Gosh, there's lots of lovey-dovey ones, isn't there? I like them. And this one's like a big flower. That one's very cute. I'm going to have to put them on my pointer finger. And then lastly, we've got this one. It's got loads of little square, like rhinestones. Yeah, I really like these. And on this listing, they've got, this was the pink themed one, obviously. But you can get like green packets or blue packets, red packets. You know, depending on what colour you want to go for. And they weren't a lot of money either. So they're cute. I'm happy with them. I'm going to get some more actually. They're not bad at all. And when I say I've got hundreds of rings, I'll show you guys. 1 second. Right, this is where I keep... This is the rings I use in most videos. So I like to keep them all in here. That's the only pink ones. Let me see if I can turn this flash on. That's the only pink ones that I've got in there. There's quite a lot in just this little tray. Right, and are you ready? In this drawer, it is full of, this is all gold rings, silver rings, gold rings, gold rings, gold rings, and it goes way back. Silver rings, and then silver rings, silver rings, and it goes right back. More rings. Yeah, it goes right back, guys. There's more at the back there. I can't pull the drawer any further out. Lots and lots and lots of rings. So yeah, a lot of rings. I keep meaning to do a little room area tour where I keep all my stuff. Yeah, I just keep not getting round to it. Right, so that's all I got off AliExpress, I think. Yeah, right, let's move on to Amazon. So I got myself some packs of little rhinestones. They come with your rhinestones, tweezers and a gem picker upper. All of these packs come with the same things. So the first ones I got are gold. These are really smart actually. Right, I've not took them all out the packet. But yeah, these are like gold chrome, but they're not a yellow gold. They're like a really dull kind of gold. I really like them. And they're glass, but inside they're like a charcoal kind of grey. Can you see inside them? I don't know if you can see. Yeah, they're like a dark charcoal kind of grey inside. And it comes with 12 different shapes, all different shapes. I really like these. I don't have anything like these. I really like them ones. And then I got these ones. I'm not going to pull all these out because you can see them. So these are exactly the same gems as the gold ones, except these have not got the gold plating on them. They're like a dark charcoal kind of colour. They are the same gems, but they've been gold plated kind of. But this one has just got half the amount. This has got 6 different shapes, and then it's got your little round ones, all different sizes, and they're all flat backed. I don't have any of this colour. I do have these in the small round gems, but I don't have any shapes in that colour. And then I got some red ones. I do have some red ones, but I really don't have a lot. These are so sparkly. These are super sparkly little gems, you know, guys. Really sparkly. I'm really happy with these. And they're a bright red. You can get different shades of red, can't you? You can get lighter red, darker red. Yeah, these are a bright red. I really like them. I think these are brighter than the ones I've got. And again, these are like the ones I just showed you. It's just got the 6 different shapes. I like these little butterflies. They're smaller than the ones I've got. Yeah, I really like them. Right, and sticking with Amazon, I got these nail tips because I made a mistake because it said, oh, look at this packaging. This is pretty. I have already got some nail tips from this brand and I really liked them. But these have got, look, 15 sizes. And I thought, brilliant. They might have an extra bigger size that fits my thumb. But no, I was wrong. The extra sizes are, let me show you. So they start at size 0, just your standard size 0. They're not a bad size though, actually. They are quite big. I'm not going to lie, but they're super short. Little stumpy little things, aren't they? They're actually they're a big 0. Let me tell you, they are a big 0. So yeah, they go from 0 to 11. And then the 3 extra sizes here on the end. Can you see how it goes from big and they get smaller and smaller and smaller? And then there's 3 extra sizes on the end here. The extra sizes are 10.5, 9.5 and 8.5. Which I think is a really bizarre size to double up on. I would have thought either double up on the 0s, because they're always funny, or the most popular sizes are normally like 4, 5 and 6, aren't they? I just thought 8, 9 and 10 are really bizarre sizes to double up on. But they are beautiful shapes, little tips. They are amazing quality, ultra thin, and they can be super thin when they're this short because there's no risk of snapping them and damaging your nail. But they are beautiful little shape, aren't they? So if you're looking for really short little stumpy tips, there's some really good ones for you. They're cute. I like this packaging as well. Right, sticking with Amazon, I got myself another tube of this. This is nice quality Polygel. It's an absolute dream to use. And look at this packaging, wow. So this colour is pink. I have already got their light pink, and this is the light pink. It is such a smooth and creamy polygel to use. It's not soft and sticky. It's a really nice polygel. So should I just give this a quick swatch so we can see the colour? So that's it swatched. I really like that. I like that a lot. So that is the pink, and that is the light pink. I like both of them. Really, really nice. Polygel, really nice polygel to use. I like them. I like both of them. Right, what else have I got off Amazon? I got another couple of the Miley builder gels. This is just their white and clear. I don't have their white. Right, let's get a move on. Guys, I love these. So I got myself another folder. These are the folders that I currently keep my glitters and foils. I keep my glitters in these folders, but A4 size. And these are smaller ones that I keep my foils in. And oh my gosh, these are amazing quality. So they've got zips on them to keep them closed, and each page has got 4 pockets on the front, and it's got 4 pockets on the back as well, so you can fit 8 foils on each page, and you get all these pages with it. You can fit a lot of foils in these. I think I've got 4, and yeah, I needed another, so I've grabbed another. Fantastic. They are on the expensive side, but for what they are, they will last forever. They won't fall apart. You won't have to replace them after a year, and they hold probably more than double what the cheaper ones do. Fantastic. And you can get them in A4. This is smaller. And then I got this. This is a new one. I've not seen these before. And I got this one for all the decals that I make myself. Oh, sugar. Some of them are on big sheets, some of them are little porky things, all different shapes and sizes of decals, and they just don't fit in any of my sticker and decal folders. Look at this one. This is a good one. Again, it's a ring binder, and it's a small one. This one comes with like some plain little small acetates. Yeah, they're just your normal little small acetates. Comes with a pack of them. And it also comes with a bigger pack of the ones that have got 4 slots. You can load them from the front and the back. So I can put all my little bits of decals in these. And then the bigger sheet decals that I've got can go in these. And again, this is a ring binder. This is a really good one. Look at all these rings. And you can slot them in and out. Yeah, this is a nice one. It's got a little pocket there. So I can put a little picture in of my dog or something. So yeah, this is A5, and that's what size this red one is as well, I think. A4. Yeah, I think this is A5 as well. Right, and lastly, guys, I'll just show you a couple more items. This is PR now. I think I'm going to record this today, actually. So Emily have sent these over. These are cool. So this is their nail art stamping toolkit. These are off Amazon. I'm not going to open it, I'm just going to give you a quick look. Oh gosh, I've never seen a stamp like that before. That is solid. Solid stamp. Let me bring you down a bit. And it's got a teeny tiny little scraper. Let's see what else it comes with. Stamping plates. Oh, liquid tape peel off cuticle protector. That's cool. And then we've got, oh, another stamper. Oh, these are mini. Look at these little scrapers. That's ultra soft one. I like the feel of that one. And then it's got some stamping plates in there. Yeah, I'm not going to open them all. I'm going to do a video on that in a minute, I think. Right, we have got rubber base coats. Ooh. Let's have a quick nosy what colours they are. So we've got 430 and 432. So let's have a look at this. 430. Oh, this looks nice. This looks like a really creamy nude. My kind of nude as well. I like the look of that. And then 432. Oh, this is a white. Oh, it's quite opaque actually. It's a very opaque for a rubber base. I'm going to give all them a swatch in a minute. I'm going to do a video on these. Right, and they've also sent over a gel polish set. If I remember rightly, I think it's neon, I think. Yes, it looks neon. So this is set number 11 on Amazon and on their website. Oh wow, look at these colours. So yeah, I'm not going to open these. If you want to see all these colours, you'll have to come back in my next video and see them. I've got a discount code for Army website as well, guys. All the info and links to everything will be in my description box. Right, and lastly for PR, guys, I am so excited for these. Again, it's going to have to be another day. So these are Varnail's reflective neon glow in the dark. You're getting 3 in 1. Yeah, these are glow in the dark, they are reflective, and they are neon. Wait and see these. Oh my gosh. Right, let me open them all quickly. Right, again, I'm not going to open all of them. I'm just going to give you a little sneak peek of these. I am so excited for these. I don't know if you can buy these on their own or not. I think you can. So this is LRG02 and it's called Fashion Queen. Oh my gosh, this is bright, bright neon pink. Look at this. Oh, it's thick. You need your liner gels to be thick and opaque though. Oh wow, how bright is it? Oh, I can't get it back in. I can't get it back in, it's overflowing. These are full to the brim. They are. Right, we'll just have a look at one more. Shall we have a look at this green one? Green Cocktail 04. Wow, look at the colour on these. I've never seen reflective gels in such bright, vibrant colours. These are going to be fantastic for summer, aren't they? Wow. Yeah, keep your eye out for these, guys, because this is going to be an upcoming video this week. I'm well excited for these. Right, anyway, guys, that is it for today. All links will be below. Anything from Amazon will be in my Amazon store. Yeah, keep your eye out. This is all stuff that's going to be up and coming over this next week or two. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye.